How to create a free website in 2024. Stop paying. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be simply and quickly showing you on how you can stop paying for making websites in 2024 in the easiest, most simplest way. So obviously creating websites goes with, buying domains and, all the whatnots. But what if you want to, create landing pages and create websites without paying for them? This is the video for you. I'm going to be going through three platforms that you're going to use. Okay. And these three platforms are going to give you the best looking website without, actually going in and, buying anything for it. So the first is WordPress. Okay, WordPress is the most famous e-commerce platform out there where you can create a website, publish it, and obviously use it around. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to WordPress, and once you're in WordPress, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to this place where it's going to obviously have you choose a template and everything. And as you can see, I have created my very own website over here, and it's fully accessible. It has its very own card page with sign in and everything. And obviously, I created this totally on the free plan. So as you can see on the plans, I'm on the free plan right now. I have bought nothing. Even if I click on visit site, it's going to take me to the actual site. And here it is. So that is how you can create a website on WordPress. Pretty simple, right? Then comes Card. So Card is also a place where it says simple, free, fully responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything. It's totally free. You can build up to 3 sites per account and use all of Card's core features for free, where it gives you custom domains, widgets and embeds, forms, Google Analytics, and no branding at all. And even if you want to use, plans, you can use them for free for 7 days if you want to. So first was WordPress, second was Card. Now the third one is probably something you didn't predict, but it's Canva. So if you want to create a free website on Canva, you're simply going to come to Canva, go into its template section and write website. And once you write website, it's actually going to give you website templates where you can create a whole proper full-fledged website with its proper pages, not only forms or, one aspects of them, like a proper landing page for a website. And once you create it, you're going to click on customize this template, and the layout it gives you is of an actual website view. It gives you a POV of how the website is going to look, and you can obviously edit it. So this is more, on the artistic side. If you want to give your website more artistic flair, then Canva is for you. So these are the things that you are going to want to be adding for yourself. So yeah, that's the basic idea of it. That is how you are going to be making free websites. And once you're over here, you can simply click on publish. Obviously, it will take money in that case, but it's still free to create. So that's pretty much about it. That's how you can stop paying for creating websites. Use these three platforms and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.